Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much who already are subscribed to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and bell the notification icon so you can see my next and up next videos. Today I am going to show you a holiday party makeup look. So simple, so quick and so easy. Let's go for it. Move on to the tutorial. Prime my skin with MAC stroke cream, apply on my face and now apply all over. It gives you a little sheer, little shine to your skin. Make sure you apply your primer everywhere. If you don't have open pores, you can apply it this way. Or if you have open pores problem, then you have to fill it like this way. You have to fill your pores like this way with primer. But I don't have any open pores problem. That's why I just apply it this way. Priming is done. Now move on to our next section, foundation. Today I am using ColourPop No Filter Foundation. No Filter Foundation gives you so much coverage. Foundation is done. Now I'll use concealer. Today I'm using Revolution Conceal and Define, which is C10. It's a very nice and thick concealer. Now blend it evenly. So very simple and quick party makeup look for this holiday season, for this festive season. You can try it anywhere. This concealer is so nice. It gives you a flawless concealed skin. Now do some cream contouring. Contouring is a very important part for makeup. Gives your face a definite structure after your base done. We will set it with powder. Today I am using Makeup Revolution Iconic Lights and Contour Pro palette, which has this banana shade. To avoid crease lines, I'm doing a little bit powdering with it. Just set your under eye with your fingertip. After that, use your powder. Same with your smile line. Now some powder contouring I will do over here. I'm using the same palette. Just you have to follow your jawline structure and your higher cheekbone structure. You don't have to do any fish face like this and like that. You just have to follow the lines. That's it. Nose contouring. Nose contouring is done. Now I will do little bronzing. Little bit forehead. Now the base is done. Now I will do my eyebrow. Doing my eyebrow. I have done my eyebrow. Now we will do eyes. Today I am using Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. Yes, I will use fudge. Doing my outer corner, the color name Rowdy, with the color All Star. I am doing my lower eye. Now blend the colors all together. Blended all the colors all together. With the angular brush I will do my root touch up. You don't need to use any liquid eyeliner if you follow this tip. I'll use little white kajal under my eyes. Use black kajal on my upper waterline. Little inner corner. Little inner corner highlight. Some metallic shimmer. Let's dust out the excess. I like the brow bone. Now it's time for mascara. Today I am using Hyper Curl Volume Express. Now I will use little blush. Now it's time to use some highlighter. It's time to put up some lipstick. The look is done, and this is my holiday look, holiday party makeup look. I hope you all like it.